Good morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi Book S, and let me show you how to change system language. At first, find and select settings. Here go to time and language and choose date and time. Here just click on set time automatically to switch it off, and now you will be able to change it. Mark on change and select date and then hour. As you can see, you can customize it however you like. Click on change and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.